cold. In the dark of night, the demons hide bold. A dance of shadows with the rising sun. Whispers in the dark, a battle to be won. My eyes wide open, heart starts to pound. In the time of darkness, fear makes a sound.
I guess more than 14 or 15 years. So I was in a private industry, like I was working with an MNC, and I am a car enthusiast. I love cars. And that is the only reason I joined this academy, Autofresh, because I was looking for a great academy where I can learn more. I can do practical as well. So one of my friend, he suggested me Autofresh, and this is one of the best academy, I would say. Even if you want, you can check the reviews on Google as well. So I liked it. Ankur sir, and there are some other as well, like Neeraj, Ankur sir, Tausif. They are very helpful. If we have any doubt, even if we don't have doubt, they explain everything, each and everything. So I liked it. For me, it's 10 out of 10. Now, today is my last day. Today is my 6th day. And if you ask me any question about detailing, about PPF, so I have, like, I would say I'm 10 out of 10 now. I'm very confident I can start my business now. So I don't have any doubt. And if you also want to join, you can come here and you will be able to see the difference in other, academies and this academy as well. So for me, it's 10 out of 10. And I guess, yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Inquiring some detailing techniques, and after going through some videos, I thought like before I start this business, first I have to learn this business. I mean, first I have to get educated on the science behind this business. So like everyone else who is doing in the business model, who are started this model, they might not get having good skills at what happened in this business, how we do detailing, and what is the science behind it, knowledge and business training, how they are doing in the market. A whole analysis they are not having. So when I thought this to have some knowledge on this business and to educate someone, first I have to take care of education in this business actually. So I inquired in Google, I searched on YouTube as well. So I came to know Autofresh is the best one among all things. So I contacted Autofresh and I inquired about all the detailing things and everything. And I paid in advance and I came here and I paid the whole amount. And I took training over here with Ankur sir, who is very best in educating anyone who is a fresher also and who's having some experience also. So I got very much experience over here, and which I can say myself, I can start this business right away. So that's how I learned over here, and I'm very sure I can do best in this business.
इसके पहले मेरा क्लोथिंग का बिजनेस था, तो वो बस मुझे उसमें इतना मतलब पहले से कार में इंटरेस्ट था, और ये वाला चीज़ जब मैंने ये डिटेलिंग का देखा था तो मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा। फिर वो धीरे धीरे पैशन में कन्वर्ट हो गया, तो मैंने सोचा ये मुझे करना ही है, तो मैं यहाँ पर ट्रेनिंग के लिए आया और मुझे बहुत अच्छा ट्रेनिंग मिला और बहुत मैं सेटिस्फाइड हूँ। जिसे भी ये करना है उसे ज़रूर यहाँ पे आके सीखना ही चाहिए। बिना सीखे, बिना नॉलेज लिए कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता। बहुत बहुत अच्छे से मैं पूरा कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ और एक्साइटेड भी हूँ कि मैं कितना जल्दी ये करूँ, क्योंकि मेरे बहुत अच्छे से कॉन्फिडेंस मिल गया। मैं कोई भी फर्स्ट कार पे भी मैं अच्छा रिजल्ट ला सकता हूँ, इतना मुझे अच्छे से सिखा दिया गया है।